hope everyone is okay. Right now, it's 6:45 a.m. in the morning. Just finished washing hair and get ready. I'm going to the hairdresser today. I'm gonna look cute today. So I'm gonna leave out right now, but before I leave out, I need to go and get my headphones. Right. And then let's go to my hairdresser because my hair want to gel, I want to look cute and all and something. So yeah.
Alright, good. Eat the right. Yeah.
Guys, I just reached a papi. I forgot the ATM to draw some money. Come over my cash for me. So I'm going to pay for my services. And then we'll head to the hairdresser and get it all dolled up, and then we'll come back in the evening for the eyebrow. So yeah. Guys, I have my mask. My mask, eh? I have my mask. The mask is on bag. But I put it on shop, guys. I reach for the shop lock. But me I reach outside. Till she come. When I call her. So yeah, so just I'll go and listen to some music till she come. So yeah. Guys, even though I reached here pretty early, one girl was here before me. Somebody always is before me, so I'm gonna do it in the meantime. Hi, morning. What I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm gonna just buy something to eat. Because you guys know that I'm gonna just wake up and just get ready, wash my hair and leave. So I'm gonna get something to eat. No, I don't know what I'm gonna have. I'm just really feel hungry. But I'm always hungry. But I'm not gonna just follow me to the shop, you know? You understand? Yeah. Otherwise, after my hair, I don't really have anything planned, you know. Just get with the flow. I might have work tomorrow. I don't know because I don't see my schedule as yet. Where's the food shop? A good thing I have a little remembrance. So, yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, my ears are shabara. There's a Kashi, shabara. Now make sure put her Instagram on the screen. When you go follow her and say Peter gay son, you know. But the shabara and she reasonable, she not killing you. That man telling you. So let's go and get something to eat. Disappointed. You know that Peter gay don't really like fried food in the morning. I'm really hungry, so let's try some curry and fried food. So yeah. How much is that? Oh, that's for lunch.
Not really.
I'm hungry, I'm hungry now. And the orange juice.
No, I know.
What have for drink? Otherwise from soda. Oh, Minute Maid. I'm gonna say a Minute Maid. You have the big one. You have the Tropicana. You have the orange one.
Heard it.
Thank you.
Push up.
I can't tell when last we eat curry chicken and fried dumpling early in the morning. But right now, it's hot. So right now, you know, Jamaican people that stay, them raw. Instead of really hungry. It's okay, I can't up and drive so I can't move. So if you just owe me fair sharp here that time, yeah, man. So guys, so I use some expression here, black and burgundy. So right now she's just blow drying my hair, guys. Remember that I wash my hair, so it have to be stretched. So she's just blow drying it. Yeah. Just this sleeve back. Like, these are burn off. But then it's burn off already. Yeah, these are the burn off first. So right now guys, she just burned the ends to the length I wanted, so you know it will be very hard to pull out. So when you burn it, it actually stay together. So I should do that for all of my hair. Yeah. Now she's just using that towel with some hot water to just put on the hair so it can stay down and all these things. So that's what she's doing, but she's not she's very gentle when it comes down to the hot water in my hair. So yeah. So guys, when you see the spray, you know it's actually finished. And this is my finished look, you guys. If you like my new hairstyle, let me know in the comment section what hairstyle you want me to do next. Comment below, guys. I love this. Look at this. So yeah. Finally, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I want to go bed. So I drink some orange juice and I go home. She did a good job. Her info will be in the comment section or also in the description, so definitely check her out. She's reasonable. So yeah. Guys, right now it's 5:43 and the curfew starts at 6. I don't reach home.
Mess up. Where are the fence? What part the car? Eh? Hold on. What a pressure me in. What buy ice cream? Alright, my son.
I'm hungry, bad. Right, is what we're not cooking. We can't eat some own food. I'm starving. So, yeah. Look at Papillon. It's getting scanty. In the taxi to go home. Taste is locked. No food. Everywhere closed. It's crazy. So yeah. I made my favorite sardine Caesar rice. Like, who know them style? Let me know in the comment section and what kind of Caesar rice do you guys like as well. I'm also having some mint tea. So yeah. So you can see, so she puts scallion. Yeah. Yo guys, this is bad. It's bad. Just go over to our channel and say, show me how to make Caesar rice. Okay? Okay guys. after my dinner, like I feel mashed up. I feel so tired right now, like because last night, this vlog what you guys watching, I did last night, and I finished it around 2 a.m. in the morning, and I have to wake up by 6 o'clock. Go to the age to spend the whole day. Come on. I'm have work tomorrow, 7 o'clock. So I was just like doing a pre-edit just to see how long the video is. So I know that some of you guys like long vlogs, some of you guys don't. But it's okay. So I never really feel no. I didn't see that I did not end the vlog. I do not remember. I'm so tired. So anyways, I just come on here to end the vlog. So you know guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. What are you smell? Look it. Anyways, I'm gonna find that. So yeah, click off. Anyways, like, share, comment and subscribe guys, and I see you guys day after tomorrow. Bye.